I turned the video camera on. She took off running. Here she comes again. Whoa! This is the result of 99-cent Ice Cream Wednesday. Come back. Dance in that spot over there. Okay, Mr. Mike's gonna come up and probably let me have it. Are you tired now?
No.
No.
I'm doing another one, Mommy.
Well, come over here and pick one out.
Huh?
Come pick one out. What song do you want to do?
Gabba Gabba.
Gabba Gabba. The one about the party in your tummy?
No.
The one about what's the bear one? The first one that you did? You wanted to do it real bad, the green guy that jiggles all around? What's that called?
Orange Man.
I can't remember. What's the green bear? Gummy bear.
Gummy Bear.
Gummy bear. I couldn't think of what that was called.
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on the Bamboo Curve Tree with lots of music, video, and extras.